Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana. And today we're going to show off this beautiful 2026 Everest 6th Gen 4Runner with a TRD lift and a bronze out package. Let's get started. Okay, so this is an 8672. This is a TRD off-road premium gas 6th Gen 4Runner. This is a 2026 model year, so this is the second year of the 6th generation. We've done a lot of dealer installed genuine Toyota accessories on this build, so we're going to walk around the car and highlight it. Some of them are genuine accessories and some of them are genuine parts. We'll start in the front. This is a full bronze out package, wheels and all. So we've replaced the front upper grille with the Toyota Heritage grille. So basically this is going to get rid of the Toyota sombrero and it's going to change the lettering to a bronze Toyota. We like this particular grille on the TRD off-road models because it is a matte black finish, which matches the same matte black finish on the roof rails and the side fender flares and the bumper on the bottom piece. There also is a TRD Pro model, which is the same plastic injection mold stamp grille. It has Toyota in silver, but it's gloss black, which would match the gloss black on a TRD Pro or a TRD Sport model. So all in all, this is the Trailhunter front grille piece. We did not touch the bottom grille piece. That can be added as another accessory from the Trailhunter bottom grille piece, which would give you the ability to install a 20-inch light bar of your choice. We preferably go with Diode Dynamics light bars because they have great brackets and their lights are made in the US. Okay, so moving off to the side, we have the Toyota Genuine 2.5-inch TRD lift kit for the 6th generation 4Runner. This particular lift kit, at least at the timing of this video, is only available as a dealer install option. It's not available at the port or the factory like the Tacoma and the Tundra. So this is a part that you can get. It's going to cost around $3,000 depending on what day of the week it is and what sales are going on. But more importantly, if you have it installed at the dealer to maintain the warranty, it's about $1,000. It ranges from $990 up to $1,190, depending on whether it's gas or whether it's hybrid. There's a couple more components. But this is going to get you a 2.5-inch lift kit. It is going to replace the front coilovers. The springs will be red. It'll replace the rear shocks as well and the rear springs. Again, red springs versus black. Upper control arms are going to be billet aluminum. They'll come in silver, and you will have the option of buying a bronze or a red option should you choose to do so. But again, they come in silver with part of the kit. This kit also comes with new axles, and actually there's just about a total of 20 different components in this entire lift kit, so it's not just shocks, struts, and springs. It is a fully comprehensive lift kit, and then as long as it's installed at the dealer, then it maintains the same warranty as the vehicle. We did add a different wheel and a different tire. This is the Toyota Trailhunter wheel. We went with the Trailhunter wheel because we wanted to go with a bronze out theme. So the bronze on the Toyota grille, on the Heritage grille, the bronze on the Trailhunter wheels, the bronze on the TRD off-road emblem overlay, and the Toyota bronze overlay in the back. Because they're all genuine Toyota, they are completely matching. And then in the front, we also have a bronze tow hook, which Toyota doesn't offer. That is aftermarket by ZR Overland, and that is powder coated in a bronze that matches very, very closely, if not perfectly, to the Trailhunter wheels. Okay, so while we're down here, we'll go ahead and show off the skid plate of choice here. Toyota offers two skid plate options for 6th generation 4Runner. The one that we have here is the aluminum skid plate that says TRD on it. So this is the TRD Pro skid plate, basically. Your other option is going to be the Trailhunter skid plate, which is a steel. It's about half the thickness of the aluminum. All in all, the Trailhunter skid plate probably looks a little bit better because it says Trailhunter instead of TRD. We wanted to go with this one because it's aluminum and it's a lot thicker, and it's still a TRD product, so we feel like it's fitting of the vehicle. Slightly lighter shade of silver than the Trailhunter one, and we'll go ahead and link in the corner to comparison video that we made of the two skid plates side by side, so you can make the choice yourself. Okay, so for the tires, we went with the Toyo Open Country AT3. This is a 34-inch. This is a LT 285/70/18. It's basically approximately 34 inches by 11.3 inches. And this is going to fit perfectly in here with this lift kit. There's not going to be any rubbing. We did remove the mud guards in the front. The back ones are fine, but no rubbing whatsoever. Really completes the look, fills in the wheel well. You really can't go to a 35-inch tire on a 6th Gen 4Runner without having some excessive trimming, so we're going to leave it at this for this particular lift. This is our go-to tire size on an 18-inch wheel. We are also replaced the center cap with the Toyota Trailhunter center cap. It's cool because it doesn't have the Toyota logo, it just says Toyota. which matches the grille perfectly. Okay, so moving off to the side, we're gonna go ahead and hit all the other accessories that we have added to this vehicle, starting with the door edge guards. Door edge guard is an accessory that's basically a sticker. It's gonna come pre-painted the color of the car, same as the body side molding. So this is Everest on this particular vehicle. And the advantage of having this little piece of rubber stuck on here, it's almost invisible actually, but if you ever hit your door on something that's sharp and you're not hitting it on metal, scraping the paint and causing a vulnerable surface for corrosion. So this just sticks on there and it's kind of a surface to bounce off of. You can hit a wall in your garage or maybe another car door, but it protects that. The door edge guard is kind of the opposite. This is protecting your door from something else. This is protecting your door from basically something hitting it. So this is going to essentially, another door hits this as opposed to hitting metal. This is going to be a surface that's not going to rust because it's made out of a composite plastic. And of course, this will also come painted to the color of the car as well. These are the fixed running boards. These are actually standard on this particular trim level. This is a TRD Off-Road Premium, so this is actually something that you don't have to pay any extra money for. On the side here, we have the TRD Off-Road Bronze Emblem Overlay. You can get these in different colors. They make gunmetal gray, they make black. Of course, they come in chrome, and of course, they make the bronze, which looks fantastic, complements the wheels and the grille. We also have the roof rails here, or the crossbars, excuse me. It comes with the roof rails, and then if you want to add crossbars, then this is a Toyota Genuine accessory. This is going to give you the ability to add additional accessories like Yakima roof boxes or ski attachments, bike attachments, all sorts of cool accessories that will adhere or fix really simply to the factory crossbars. So moving on to the back here, we also have the 4Runner emblem overlay. This is going to be part of the kit that's going to have the TRD Off-Road. This is actually a different emblem overlay, the one that just says Toyota. And again, if you have a 4Runner already and you're interested in just buying the accessories that we're talking about, everything that we're talking about, part number and a link is listed to purchase it on parts.edmartintoyota.com. Okay, so we added a couple things on the inside of the vehicle as well. We have the door panel scuff protectors. It's actually thick, hard plastic. It's molded here, so there are a set of 4 of these. These are genuine Toyota. Part number will be in the video notes. But this is designed to stop the hard plastic injection molding piece from getting scraped. I'll kind of show you how it works here. Basically just, it sticks on there, and then when you're stepping out and your shoe brushes up against it, you're not damaging the actual door, the door panel itself. So you get a set of 4 of these, 2 for the front and 2 for the rear. Okay, so we also added the all-season liners. You can get these in carpet or all-season. All-season, of course, is rubber. They do lock in the front. You can get them for 2-row or 3-row 4Runners. Links to both in the video section notes. Okay, and last but not least, we added the Toyota 14-inch multimedia screen protector. This is not going to pick up on camera because it's a very thin piece of glass, similar to a smart tablet or smartphone screen protector, where it just electrostatically sticks on the actual radio glass and protects it from any kind of scratches or wear and tear. That's a wrap on this 2026 Everest 6th Gen 4Runner TRD Off-Road Premium Gas. If you guys like it, please hit thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future 4Runner content. If you're interested in any of the parts and accessories that we've shown off here in this video, there's a link to them in the video section notes for purchase at parts.edmartintoyota.com. Thanks for watching the channel. Please hit thumbs up and subscribe. And if you have any questions whatsoever, please ask in the comments below.